live nowhere. You don't live nowhere. I catch my gyal street and tour. I almost say that it hurt me, I don't know for some reason. Me not live nowhere. At Jamaica, me live. Me not gonna be the first and the last to live in a rundown house. And my house alone rundown in Jamaica. Me never come tell you say me a celebrity. Me never come tell you say me is that girl. Me a come from can't buy food till me can't buy food till me can't buy 2 suit of clothes. Then if me a come from can't buy food till me can't buy 2 suit of clothes, 2 look of food and 2 suit of clothes are what the problem. God I gotta help me one day when me can't buy more. But not give me no chance. What the pan me no want to, what kind of stripe me have no want to take off of me? I want to know, you know. What kind of stripe the pan me no want to take off? Me not see my people them. What is stripe they want to take off? Of course, me humble. You have to start from the bottom to reach a top. You can't start from top to go bottom. So what the Nicki Minaj pastor and come give me there? And God bless Nicki and the whole of people come here come give me. God bless Nicki and the whole of people come here come support me. I'm not stop say that. But you know what? Blood clot them ego. You know what? You know what? Blood clot. Share ego. Remember the first part, share them so them now beg. Then them become a beggar. So them a fight for gift and to be seen. Them a fight for the numbers to be seen to get the gift. And that's why I should enough so in everybody business. Cause first she talk out her mouth say, oh, man, I thinking spit bucket side her. Oh, but she ain't have a big pan TikTok. You know what me soon have fight for numbers. She don't know, oh, she could be nurse when she fuck the patient in her pampas. Oh, she could be nurse when she grind the patient in her pampas. She take the patient in her pampas and they crush the whole of the nurse story. Show them a night nurse. Night nurse. Go and go quench church, bitch. Show them a night nurse. Night old harlot. There are harlots. Night nurse. You want to shout big up our body pan the man in the papa to say, oh, what? Lord God, Mary Martha, do not touch me. Jesus said to Mary, don't touch me because I'm not yet ascending to my Father. She was a caregiver, not a nurse. Study hard for the nursing degree. Well, caregiver undertaker. She's an undertaker. Because she alone, me still gonna ride the cripple. She alone, me still gonna ride the cripple. She alone in the world. Me sit down and rock. Me have the video and I'm going to shark. Say up on the cripple. Ride the cripple. To all your low and loose. If as bad as me, she say me and I fuck me in a pampas. As bad as all you say. How you say, oh, Urban and Miss Piggy. Urban I take man in a pampas. And you alone me say I take man in a pampas. To all you not in a class and not adequate. No class, no adequate. They look a night nurse, yo. And you are coming argument with y'all day in day blood clot out. Nasty button. Thinking whore. Eh? Not to mention your blood clot woman. Me said this already now. We left church. The man left our old matrimony synagogue for going yam out your big nasty leaking passage. Yeah. A queen make y'all blood clot a leak, so. Because the utensils when I use, you now wash them. You don't get time for wash them. You're there on the live every day. You don't even get time for bed. Night at Belgium, you're there on live. Day at Belgium, you're there on live. Night at Belgium, you're there on live. Day at Belgium, you're there on live. As TikTok open, you're there on live. And TikTok not close, you're ever there on live. She now has your utensils them. As you know, open TikTok, you know see the blood clot, I'm long chin, man. When I chin up. The bitch would even go look alive and chin up. The bitch had chin long as she hold on her head. Chin up, bitch. Life goes on. Every blood clot there can them come by me. The bitch would go look alive and chin up. Answer jam, we and rot a jam, we and roach a jam, you not leave me alone. Till I don't use a mouth a jam with too. When me can't live with ants, rat and roach, when me can't live with rodent, me can't live with mouth. Cause me can't get rid of rodent, cause me can't go buy spray and powder. Me can't get rid of mouth. Ants a jam, we rot a jam, the roach a tangle me. When me can't go buy spray and bumper blood clot powder. Me can't take on a thinking mouth off of me. Cause me know you not brush teeth. Oh yes, guys. And she not remember when she said she go to school, you know, but I go to school again. Yeah. We can't live with around ant rat and roach. Ant, rat, roach, leaking pipe, everything. We don't have to fix them. You can't fix mouth. Roach I take you by roach spray, ant I take you by powder. She not better go to school again. Eh? Every bumble blood clot they shall live for me. Jesus Christ. Why, Father God, me tired of the blood clot old sodomite girl. Me tired of it. Me say I never see one say sodomite we are tired. So sodomite! 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 Me tired of dirty sodomite! Dirty sodomite! Me tired of you! Dirty sodomite! 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 Me tired of dirty sodomite! Me tired of you! No, sir. Mm-mm. Dirty old sodomite! 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 Tired of your sodomite! Tired of you? Tired, 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 tired. I realize there are hours. But too much on there at 2 a.m. I'm tired for true. I'm tired of shit till boy me know say she come like a dagger in my soul. She not release me now. Come here, Jagger. Come here. How would that? Yeah, I'm good, my boss. Tired of you. I'm tired of you for true. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you not stop right now. I'm not stop come out by you neither. As my blood clot should. Cause you not keep and carry no pussy, but you know why in argument with girl. What about the box? You not talk about the box. What about the box? What about the box? What about the box? What about the box? Not talk about the box. What about the box? What? What about the box? That more shit. Blood clot. Well, I want me did name. Where you come from, man? You got a church. Them pastor just let you out.
Don't mess up and go about my business.
Oh, you stop and go about your business. That's nice. Your pastor say. Huh? You pray for me?
Always.
Alright.
How much you know, baby, I drink?
What about the box? What about the box? What about the box? Because if you come say me fuck my mother, man, nothing so, and that never hurt me. Don't feel you know come say me fuck my mother, man. You know show my mama so cocky, you know feel like one box I got 20 things. What about the box? The box open. Oh? Okay. You know what I'm talking about? No, me not open the box here, sir. Me only had the good people them up there are not unfortunate. But you not gonna sleep. Lord. Nasty Toto him not gonna sleep. Me if you had who? What box? See there. Shanta! Pass $1,000 upon it just so I beg that man to buy some cigarette for me. No. Them gyal can't come on. I click my them gyal can't over the 209.3K followers. Moonshot go.
There,
I do what?
I listen to your anger the banger.
Buy some crib. Yeah, get it. Buy some crib near to me. About 18.
I think we wrap up she and put her up and store her up already. Oh, she
Yeah. No. Well, that's she.
I'm afraid I would.
Yeah. What your bed, my baby? Come take a laptop. Sit here. Come now. Come put up a laptop. Come, I don't want nothing to do it, 'cause I can't buy it back again. I can't buy nothing now. Go put up a laptop. Put it up.
But I could worry about people and them fitness so. When did I come
Me
up
just-
about Shant and her sleep? Worry about where phone no one. They go ask Shay where I putting them there and if them asleep. I don't know if I go do.
And if I truck,
Ask her if sure drop asleep yet. Or with school sure go. And stop about typing about the woman pitney. Bumble. Me say me here to yes man.
The laptop, I mash up the laptop. So what now? I saw you late to pussy clot, Munchie. Rasclad.
Me no wait for you for aeroplane the live and come call me. Because we have business to chat.
Me that look 5. Only can't be gonna 5 Galaxy. Me that look 2 live goal for calm my bed. And 2 of the hot gal them. Me that look 2 live goal.
But Toto the way you not sleep. I'm not saying.
Oh.
Toto way you not sleep.
So blood clot yes about him the right blood clot yes about him must full up. Him must blood clot full up. But Achilles. Never come on in. Phone the depend don't disturb all the blood. Guys, me I look something. 5 Galaxy. I'm not going to recharge in hours, no man. You're in the live, I go talk to Munchie, you know. That makes sense. Me need to talk about blood clot something.
Me I jump long till I get a live goal when I done any live.
No man, you can't stay right there.
Sure.
I'm gonna get it. Me have time. Me go depart the ship. Me just depart it.
The box, talk about the box. Which box you want to hear about?
I don't know which box they want to hear about.
Anybody will tell you know about box over there, you must go ask about box. You don't know.
I call them to tell about the box. Make them tell you, call them talk about it. Which box? Make them go tell about the box.
The person when they talk about the box, go and go ask them how the box go. Because them know. Nobody ever say no about the box.
Yeah. I must say box food.
Most.
No go on welcome to tell about the box. I'm only me a look. I don't have time to share.
Yeah, go and go ask Shay how the box go. A Jagger talk. Who name Jagger? Square mouth slime, runny mouth slime. Time name so?
Sure.